Welcome to Blue Stars Higher Secondary School students. In today's subject is Science in Biology part, class 8th standard. Dear students, in our previous classes, what are the subtopics we were learned from chapter 7? There are 3 subtopics. What are the subtopics? First one is deforestation and its causes and consequences of deforestation, and third one is conservation of forest and wildlife. But in today's class, we are going to see about fourth subtopic in Biosphere Reserve from chapter 7, conservation of plants and animals. Students, this is our session is Biosphere Reserves in India, in other states. Okay, student, first Biosphere Reserves. What do you mean by Biosphere Reserves? Biosphere reserves are the areas meant for conservation of biodiversity. Biodiversity means flora and fauna, conservation of plants and animals. This is Biosphere Reserve. Again, I read Biosphere Reserves in India. Biosphere Reserves means conservation of biodiversity. Okay, students, conservation of biodiversity. That means large areas of protected land for conservation of wildlife. Then plant and animals resources and traditional life of the tribals living in the area. This is called biosphere reserve. These biosphere reserves generally occupy the plants, animals and microorganisms. This found in area is called biosphere. Then the biosphere reserves help to maintain the biodiversity and culture of the area. A biosphere reserve may also contain other protected area in it. This biosphere reserve name is Pachamari Sanctuary in that area, and one national park named Satpura and 2 wildlife sanctuaries named Buri and Pachamari. Then this is forest and wildlife. அதாவது நம்ம சொன்னோம் இல்லையா, biosphere reserves means is a conserved plants, animals and microorganisms. இந்த 3 organisms may live and surviving பண்றது தான் forest and wildlife. இதை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்னா conserve பண்ணணும். Then this biosphere reserve in another name is ecosphere. அதாவது என்னன்னு சொல்றோம், அதை ecossphere. நம்ம ecosystem சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, that is called ecosphere. Okay students, first what is an example of biosphere? This first biosphere is defined as the area of the planet where organisms live, including the ground and the air. The example of biosphere is where life occur on above and below the surface of the earth. அதாவது நம்ம earthல வந்து plants, animals and microorganisms இது எல்லாமே சர்வை ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு இல்லையா, that is called biosphere. That is a national park and wildlife sanctuaries. Then what are the types of biosphere? The biosphere is a portions of earth where life occurs, the portions of the land, water and air that hold life. These parts are known respectively as the lithosphere and hydrosphere and atmosphere. இதைதான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம், biosphere. இந்த மூணுத்தையும் நம்ம சேர்த்ததை நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம், biosphere. What are they? Lithosphere and hydrosphere and atmosphere. இதைதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம், biosphere அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். Then the hydrosphere is the aquatic portion of the planet or the which support life. இது எல்லாமே தான் நம்மளுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுது, கரெக்டா நம்ம லைஃபுக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுது. Then biodiversity. This biodiversity is the variety of plants and animals and microorganisms is generally found in an area. That area name is Pachamari Biosphere Reserve. This consists of one national park named Satpura and 2 wildlife sanctuaries. That name is called Buri and Pachamari. Then What are the importance of biosphere? This biosphere is very important to regulate the climate, and the importance of biosphere is important for living organism because it is termed as the zone of life on earth. Then this is the plants, animals and microorganisms is fully surviving on the earth. Then facts about biosphere. This biosphere contains all living things on earth extending as far as 12,500 meters from the surface of the earth. The biosphere includes all plant, animals and microbes, humans, insects, everything living. The term biosphere was created in 1875 by a geologist named Edward. Okay, students, what are the animals? First, plants. Plants and microorganisms. These are the microorganisms and animals and fishes and reptiles in five major animals சொல்லிருந்தோம் இல்லையா அதாவது what are they birds அதாவது aves and reptiles அதாவது ஊர்வன அப்படின்னு தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவாங்க then animals and flowers and birds and trees in everything is a living and serving in the wildlife and biosphere reserve. Then this Pachamari biosphere reserve. Okay students, how does the biosphere support life? எந்த அளவுக்கு நமக்கு வந்து இந்த biosphere வந்து support பண்ணுது அப்படின்னா this biosphere acts as a life support system for the planet, helping to regulate the composition of atmosphere, maintaining soil health and regulating the hydrological and water cycle. Then a measure the biome takes to serve for the planet. Okay students, these are the இந்த அளவுக்கு நம்மளுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுது நம்ம லைஃப்க்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுது எப்படி ஹெல்பிங் டு ரெகுலேட் தி காம்போசிஷன் ஆஃப் தி அட்மாஸ்பியர் அண்ட் மெயின்டைனிங் சாயில் ஹெல்த் அண்ட் ரெகுலேட்டிங் தி ஹைட்ரோலஜிக்கல் மீன்ஸ் வாட்டர் சைக்கிள் தென் ஹார்ம்ஃபுல் எஃபெக்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் பயோஸ்பியர் எந்த அளவுக்கு This is a Pachamari Biosphere Reserve. This Pachamari Biosphere Reserve have one national park and named as Satpura and two wildlife sanctuaries. The name is Buri and Pachamari. அதாவது this is Pachamari Biosphere. This is a Pachamari Biosphere. This Pachamari Biosphere consists of one national park and two wildlife sanctuaries. Then okay student, next harmful effects of biosphere. என்னென்ன நம்ம வந்து இந்த physical activitiesஆல எந்த அளவுக்கு biosphere வந்து பாதிக்கப்படுது affect ஆகுது அப்படின்னு பார்ப்போம். There are multiple factors harmful for biosphere. One of them is pollution, that is a major problem in today. Then it can be water pollution also and air pollution and soil pollution. These three types of pollution is affect the biosphere reserve. What are the pollution? Air pollution, water pollution and soil pollution. Okay student, then what is the function of biosphere? This biosphere reserve is a representative ecological area with three mutually and reinforcing functions. What are they? Conservation and sustainable development and logistic support of scientific research and education. And as a collectively, all biosphere reserves form a world network linked by exchange of experience and knowledge. Okay, what are the two main functions? First one is conservation. True, to contribute to conservation of landscapes, ecosystem, species and gen- genetic variation. Then development. First one is conservation, then second one is development. To foster social, culturally and ecologically sustainable economic and human development. Then this is the two main function. Okay, what are the uses of biosphere? This biosphere reserves helps in ensure the environmental and economic and social sustainability of the region by encouraging wise use of natural and human resources. Then they provide practical ways to resolve and land use conflicts and they protect biological diversity. Okay students, these are the uses of biosphere. Then how do humans impact the biosphere? The burning of fossil fuels and the growth of animal and agriculture has to led to large amount of greenhouse gases. That greenhouse gases, what are they? Carbon dioxide and methane. Then in the atmosphere, the higher concentration of greenhouse gases trap more heat in the biosphere. They result in global warming. In turn, this drives climate changes. Okay, students. Next, what is the most important sphere on the earth? The biosphere extend to any place. நம்ம இப்பதான் பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா? What are the three portions? Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. இப்போ நம்ம இருக்கிறது எந்த பிளேஸ்ல? Atmosphere. Then this biosphere extends to any place that life of any kind might exist. The biosphere is the crossroads of all the other earth science spheres you will study in class. Think about the possible interactions for a second. Then எந்த அளவுக்கு human life biosphere affect பண்ணுதுன்னு பார்ப்போம். How does biosphere affect human life? By trapping heat and greenhouse gases and contribute to our planet warming because of its involvement in the earth's carbon cycle and nitrogen cycle. The biosphere influences the amounts of some of the major greenhouse gases such as methane, carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide. Then how are humans disturbing the balance in nature? The two ways in which the human beings are disturbing the natural environment. What are the ways? First one is pollution. In physical activities like pollution is increasing the people are using more resources and they are polluting the natural for their needs. Humans are cutting trees and plants for their one needs which leads to deforestation. Then okay, why should we conserve biosphere? ஏன் நம்ம வந்து பயோஸ்பியரை கன்சர்வ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா the biosphere is as important as life. ஆக்சுவலாக நம்மளுக்கு வந்து அது ரொம்ப ஒரு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஏன்னா we are depend on other plants and animals. So அப்போ we are save biosphere and conserve biosphere. Then because it is all of life also. Without the biosphere, Earth would be a lifeless planet such as Mars or Venus. ஸோ அந்த பிளேஸ்லலாம் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த நம்ம பயோஸ்பியரில் எர்த்தில் இருக்கிற மாதிரி அந்த பிளானட்லாம் இருக்காது. As natural resources are rapidly depleting, human instability increases. We must devise ways for the sustainable use of our biodiversity. Okay students, how can we protect biosphere? நாம் எப்படி நம்ம வந்து protect பண்ணலாம் biodiversity? There are 4 ways. What are the ways? What are the ways students? First one, Teach others about the importance of environment. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், நம்ம மற்றவங்க கிட்ட, நம்ம பியர்ஸ் கிட்ட நம்ம சொல்லணும் எந்த அளவுக்கு என்விரான்மெண்ட்டோடைய இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் பற்றி நம்ம சொல்லணும். தென் ஹவு தே கேன் ஹெல்ப் சேவ் ரெயின் ஃபாரஸ்ட், எந்த அளவுக்கு நம்ம சேவ் பண்ணுன்றதையும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணணும். தென் செகண்ட் பாயிண்ட் இஸ் restore damaged ecosystems by the planting trees on land where forests have been cut down. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணக்கூடாது, சப்போஸ் நம்ம வந்து பிளான்ஸை வந்து டீஃபாரஸ்ட் பண்ணாலும், ஃபாரஸ்ட்டை டீஃபாரஸ்ட் பண்ணாலும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், பிளான்டிங் பண்ணணும். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணோன்னா இந்த டீஃபாரஸ்ட் பண்ணுறதை வந்து நம்ம மறுபடியும் என்ன பண்ண மாதிரி இருக்கும், மறுபடியும் நம்ம வந்து ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ண மாதிரி இருக்கும். தென் encourage people to live in a way that doesn't hurt the environment. Then establish parks to protect rainforest and wildlife. நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், சொல்லி தரணும். Then how does global warming affect the biosphere? எந்த அளவுக்கு வந்து நம்ம இப்போ குளோபல் வார்மிங் சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, இன்க்ரீசிங் டெம்பரேச்சர், அதை பார்ப்போம். Then in case of the world reduces greenhouse gas emissions but is unable to limit global warming to 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, the researchers in model projects. This is a pollution. This pollution affect the biosphere. This is a global warming. இதெல்லாம் நம்ம பண்ணுறதுனால தான் என்ன ஆகுது, குளோபல் வார்மிங் ரொம்பவே இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் 2 degrees Celsius, the researchers model projects climate change will cause major changes to 34% of Earth biosphere, while land use changes will impact 11 to 13% of the global warming. Okay students, நம்ம biosphere பற்றி பார்த்துருக்கோம் இல்லையா. In today class, what are the subtopics we are learned today? There are one subtopic in biosphere reserve. First, what do you mean by biosphere? Biosphere means conservation of plants and animals and microorganisms. This is called biosphere reserves. This biosphere reserves consist of in one biosphere reserve is called Pachamari. Then this Pachamari biosphere have one national park and 2 wildlife sanctuaries is named like Buri and Pachamari. This is your session today students. In today homework is read and write your classwork in this topic in 4th subtopic in biosphere reserve. Are you understood students what I am told? This is your session today. Thank you students. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you.